Nweta this video metụ aka na share button ka I continue na message nke ụtụtụ. I term this one volume 2 part 2 continuation from where we stopped in the morning. The other go watching from the village with my village elders at village square. Mazishin on so Dalo. Share this video. Click on like and love. The other go. Somebody said that no Igbo man born, died, or still living has ever done half or quarter of what Matias Bini Fernando Onyem's I just want to answer or reply to this thing briefly, only because I show my name a program because I know squeeze this thing in between programs. I have told you people so many times to allow the noisemakers to keep making noise. You people should allow the noisemakers to keep making noise. Forget about Oge. Oge is being taken care of. Oge's case is being taken care of. Police station Oge no there. It is not a prison. Ogo ne put a prison yard. It is not the end there. The matter is still in court. It is left for the court to decide. Na shout na charge karate na build their Facebook page. Decide. So let us leave it there. But I want you to know that Oge is in safe hands. So let us continue. I also want to use this opportunity while doing this program to say that the easiest way for you to get blocked from this page is to talk about Oge, why this broadcast is going on. So be very careful. If you want to watch this broadcast, you better drop a comment relating to what I am talking about here. If you digress from what I am talking about here to go to somewhere else because you want to come and expose or show how naive Edo, you are off this page. So I will prefer you leave this place so that people who can comprehend can hear what I'm saying. Let us carry on. So somebody said no man born, died, or living has ever done half of what Matias has done for Igbo. And I said I agree. I was running that program in the morning until way engagement. I was busy throughout the day. You could see that I only posted that. I only did that live broadcast in the morning. I never posted anything on my page again, apart from the picture post until this night. So that is to show you how busy I was. So now, what is it that Matias has done for Igbo? Really? Iwo Igbo, Nwuro Igbo. Kedu na ife dị faho? Mathematical. Yeah? Kedu na ife dị faho mathematical nwa mama megoro ndị Igbo. Mmadụ ji wee nechasị anya wee sị na onwe bụ onye Igbo megoro ife. Remember that I made a video n'ụtụtụ. I did not tell you people why I agreed with Ifonya Ukulu. Now, why I agreed with Ifonya Ukulu is that Matias mega aluna ni Igbo nwebo onye melu. Matias who a symbol of alu no nweye, and the only who a supporter of Matias, whether you are my friend or not. Ewa you are an epitome of aloe. You a typical example of aloe. It's supposed to be supposedly they make because you enemy of progress. You don't want Igbo to be progressing. Unu just will take ye back to aloe. Unu just will take you back to aloe. No on Facebook. Then you got them auto up and down. Shouting up and down for nothing. Matias Melinka, let us even go down to ife a o meru onweburu onye meru na ana Igbo. Let us use Apostle Chibuzo of OPM for instance. Apostle Chibuzo of OPM nwere more than 25 free hospitals, more than 25 free hospitals, over 15 free estates, more than 20 free restaurants on our own. He has single-handedly sponsored more than 1,000 to 2,000 or audio 6,000 treatment. He has single-handedly sponsored more than 2,000 to 2,500 students na Igbo for abroad scholarship or na schools na Nigeria here. I want to know what is it that Matias has done that nobody has done in Igbo land. Has he done quarter of what Apostle Chibuzo has done for our people? Is it because nobody is talking about it? Is it because Matias chooses to be making noise, jumping up and down? Even the Igbo, even the Igbo. I was mechakwa ajukwa mono. Abuzikwa moni Igbo ka ubonya Hausa. Awuzikwa na ani Igbo ka amula ayi. I wouldn't Igbo ka ya wuranda Hausa. Has Matias done quarter of what Apostle Chibuzo has done in Igbo land here without making noise about it? All Katana Hospital, you can go. Huh? Thank you very much, Enizundo. He has created more enmity. Matias is the symbol of division. I'm going to Igbo. He has divided Igbos more than ever. Matias Wunya Wupata, the latest division among Igbos. Ogunina Ano Keta Kiti. When Matias Wunya draw these two fractions, he made everything to be too confrontational. There is no tolerance anymore. All may go commit to that abomination that nobody has ever committed. Thank you very much. I'm not even talking about free schools. Do you know how many schools Apostle Chibuzo has built free? Do you know how many with disabilities in Epinuno? Apostle Chibuzo will more than 100 kids, children, currently as we speak. Ụfọdụ n'ime ha ụmụazụ dị deformed, ụfọdụ n'ime ha ụmụazụ dị physically challenged. He is living with them right inside his house, giving them cruise into where supposedly they be, taking them out in expensive cars, driving them, making them feel like they are sons and daughters of presidents. And somebody will open his or her mouth on a Facebook will say that that nobody has done what Matias has done in Igbo land. Indeed, Matias in Igbo land. Felix Okechukwu, I will talk Matias, I will eat Matias, I will drink Matias. What are you doing here? All my videos, I'm only talking about Matias. What are you doing here? Always listening to me. Talk about Matias. If you believe it, thank you very much. Somebody just corrected me. If you okay. Awesome. Now 500 children. You should know audio number Matias in Apo. So you are right in because he has done an abominable Igbo. Yes, Omega Luna Igbo, and don't get a follow Omeru. Of Bodive, Opo on a Shinienu, Akobana hospital bed, the Kawo, a Burebu Kone, Nkewun Taramafo, Canabia, Nkewun Taramafo, Kane, press up, of Bodive, of Bodive, for bringing disunity among Igbos, for making Igbos to be fighting among themselves, kitty, na Facebook. For making the audio omenana to come out from nowhere. Ndị ejebohome go nwanyị nyana ha binuno. Ịkpọrọ nwa mmadụ mụrụ amụ ịmakwu necessary traditional rights. Ihe eme. You want to go? You want to give him the ọ ga-ata afụfụ ọfụma ife afụfụ ka ya ata ka na-eme press up ọ ka na-eme press up ịghọtago nke a ka mbido ọ na-akụziri anyị how to go to hospital ọ na-akụziri anyị that there is no miracle. And I ask you people again, kelu the greatest miracle you could see, you have ever seen, carrying iji 5 million, Igbo na 800 million. Kelu the greatest miracle in a shop. Kelu the greatest miracle in a shop. Ni 5 million, Igbo na 800 million. Ejime umokoko ndotwe potano ya. Ndacho ndị alụ na-ekwu ekwu ndị alụ na-ekwu ekwu afụrụ nke ụfọdụ n'ime ha na-ede what can be greater than ndị filu na ha wụ friends mmadụ ifu onye a ka ọ nọ na kirikiri fu onye a ka ọ nọ n'ụlọ nga ha na-akụrụ ya aka. But you people have pushed Matias how many times? Oje n'ụlọ nga dị na for how many days? What did you people do? Unu pụta na Facebook na ọ na-ara ntịgharị around. Ịghọtago? Unu na-ara ntịgharị around. What did you people do? Ọkwa nke o jere eje unu pushiri o jere eje ọkwa nya ka ọ ka na-arịa. Is Ogechi not better than him? Because at least Ogechi is still healthy, standing, very strong. I am asking you. Unu nwa ndị nọ na Facebook enyegharị mkpọtụ they are on Facebook ranting why somebody is in prison yard. Matias onago nke o jegolo eje. Matias onago nke o jegolo eje ka nna ajụ. Ọkwa nke o jere eje nke unu pushurie bueno the right iji 5 million eje achụ ana 800 million unu si no business si no contract unu si no nka ọkwa nke o jere eje ka ọ ka na-arịa ọ survive bụ he everyday ọ na-akwụ ụgba n'elu bed unu na-epost unu na-achọkwa ịtụrụ ego ejije obodo oyibo. Ana m ajụ ajụjụ what is the main who is the main person nwụtalụ division na Facebook? Even this issue of Ogechi, what sparked it up? What sparked it up is the issue of this religious division. Because majority of the people who hated Ogechi more today were because of her alliance with Zion Ministry. It is because of her defense for Christianity. Can I be that division in Suwebia? I am asking you. Can it be that division in Suwebia? That everybody is now associating Ogechi with a ministry or with this thing. Is it not because of the division Mathias Ezeaku on Facebook? So when you say nobody has done what he has done in Igbo land, I agree with you. You have said the truth for once. And I agree with you. I concur with you. I concur with you. It divides women. They cannot judge now with their senses. Huh? Before they now judge matter between you and somebody, they first of all look at where are you standing. Are you an woman and a man, or are you onyoka? Only onyoka. They will be all against you. Man, only one woman, they will stand with you. No matter what you do, or they are they will stand with you. Unless if they will stand there to condemn you. That is the demon Mathias Ezeaku in you people. So when you say that nobody has ever done what he has done in Igbo land, I agree. As for an Igbo, he is a nobody. Time and event has shown who he is. Igbo don't even care any bit about him. Look at Ogechi came arrest. Look at the noise name on Facebook. Matias came arrest. Nobody even cared to ask about him. You people abandoned him like a log of wood, as if he doesn't exist. Owuru Matias was somebody na Igbo. Imoro the kind of Oprayado no one may arrest. Huh? That is to show him how insignificant although among Igbos. Do you want me to show you Igbo respectable men and women who has done a lot to better the life of Igbo? They have done what Matias can never can never, ever, ever do in his lifetime. Yes. I showed you a church, Madro, single-handedly, and I showed you a clinic on Alo single-handedly. You heard him say that no clinic here, just a clinic here, no, any free medicals to all the aged people from 60 years and above. You heard him say that. Now he is building. He did not go to rent one room, and that is somebody who a church in a factory. Eh? Monelo keke Job the wise with wisdom nina. Onwerife wu na Igbo nwere onye monye with your wisdom nina. Can if wisdom na put family if not shame and disgrace. The wise. Ana majo ajojo. With all your wisdom, can if you na your family? Who are you? Who knows you? People who are not even wise are doing far more better than you. People who are not even wise, people in a field and the pastor, they are doing far more better than you. With that, all that wisdom, what have you been able to achieve? What have you been able to achieve na your family? Family moon if you no memo, but on amaro. If you no memo, man on amaro. Eh? Unani kwalo no. Nobody has done what matter. Imoko nji ikwu ifa ni hum ewonu moko su apolo ni ikwu ni hum. Was mo aya fukwu ni hum. Aya survive both from the shock of Ozigbo ndono na akwe. Aya survive both from the shock of Ozigbo ndono na akwe. The potential nobody has done what Matias has done na ni ni hum. Kan wo loko su apolo no. Obala gbacha onu onu ga ha ya jo lusi ozo. But so the yew ikwu godi ende mother aya what ifi na egwu. Yeah. Because no majalo na because na Soludo will still come after Matias. Government once we go na the government here measure rise against this. I said it and it happened. Go and write it somewhere. Go and write it somewhere. The days of reckoning no Matias is coming in the hands of government. By that time, nobody will ever be anywhere to rescue him. Nobody will be anywhere to rescue him. Did they know that a day like this will come? Who push Akwa to Ebono? Oh, no, Matias Nando to push Akwa to Ebono. Oh, no, Matias Nando to push Kelafaya Ekehiti to Ebono Tata. Where are you people? Or no push ride on akwa nyoba akwanka or no push you. Have you people been able to get him out for over 3 months? For over 3 months gone on detention. None of you have done anything to bring him out from detention. But here okay, just 1 week he go na detention. Everywhere. If we push Ogechi to Ebono, who pushed Akwa to Ebono? I am asking you. Eh? Who pushed Akwa Kuko and they can hit it to Ebehano? What have you people been able to do to go and bring those guys there from Ebono Kwaburuha? Obulono Nagwa, ride on, Omuchineke, ride on. Our ancestors must be praised. Your ancestors abandoned them like a log of wood. Their fate is now lying in the hands of government. A day is coming. You think the government doesn't go through Facebook? They do. A day is coming when Matias will stand. Yeah? When Matias will stand and defend every single thing he has said. If we push Ogechi to where she is, who pushed Ijele to where he is? Who pushed Ijele to where he is? And I'm now. Have you been able to get Ijele out from Ebunu Puchuye for over getting to 1 year? Man on Facebook now Garivan Tegari around. Ogechi 1 week or 1 weekend. Manando no kwagidolu. Even some of you know on Facebook today Nenyegalim Auto because of Ogechi was there telling Ijele ride on. I argued with most of you on the telephone where I was telling you people, if Ijele Neku, if one Neku na out of track. unu nọrọ na-asị m na o nwere ife omelu na o nwere onye eme n'Ijele anything n'Ijele karịrị mmadụ. Today Ijele anọgo na detention getting to 1 year. What have you been able to do? Ngwa na-achọ ka ịgwa anyị na sleeping in a police cell mmadụ ịdị na ebe ọ na-anyụ nsị, it is very bad. Why some people are making noise in Facebook? What of you? Ọnụ na anọrọ there no at the helm of affairs telling Ijele to ride on because na Jesus Christ nwere ife unu na ya na-azọ. Ọkwunu merie, where is Ijele today? I am asking you. Where is Ekehiti today? Where is Akwokoko today? Matias is here to survive from Nke Ojereje. Monel Okeke, you are now my follower. Yes, you are now my follower and you will continue to be my follower. Ebe ake ya no we na Jesus Christ ya ine kwo power ko no power. You are now glued to this page. Ishopwo kita ake ya no ma na onye nwanyị o onye nwanyị eziokwu ko na onye nwanyị. Yes. You got to go. Deceivers. So when you say that he has done what nobody has done na Igbo, obiti go record. Yes. Onye nusi na deriko ha. Zuru di ohi. Mmadu ezugbo. Deriko onye nusi ha. So the heartbreak in history and record. Ofapu no rifte. Break in history and record. Evans the kidnapper. Break in history, mother breakable. Matias also, they break what history, mother breakable. So do you think we are shocked when you say he has done what nobody can? Who will even do what he's doing? Who in his rightful senses will do exactly what Matias is doing in Igbo? Yeah? As a follower of Matias, I dare you to train your children Nusoro Matias na Kuzrai. I dare you. Bido replicate me for Matias na Kusi in your home where your children is. E hapo ụmụ ge joka ka haje muta good morals ka ha mara ife. Ebe na Facebook na-enyegharị mkpọtụ. Una na-enyegharị mkpọtụ up and down, na jumpgharị up and down. In fact, may your children be exactly if Matias na choko project ya ụmụnna ndị Igbo to be. Now, in fact, nyalu no biri. In abia kuzila aye how to go back to our root. My root ben na yo. Ụfọdụ n'ime unu iwuru onye owere keta na abata ya kwụsị na control. Or call mother apart from bone bia kpọrọ. That should be the route you should be interested in going back to. Find a way and go back to your father's house. Iru ebe a dozebe na ụka ọdụ mma. Ino n'obodo oyiwo nne na nna ya ebigido na mkpọ ọkụkọ wee nwụọ. Nne na nna ya ebigido na mkpọ ọkụkọ wee nwụọ. Ijere ebe a na-ele akpati ozu gụrụ akpati 30,000 or 40,000 bịa nye ya dọwa ihe na warụkwa. Echiri na ajụ ọzọ say your ancestors this, your ancestors that. Nne ma ọ nna ya na-amagide otu obi ọgọdọ ịbawa ihe na mmiri ọdụkọ ya unyidu na ya egbu azụ. And then on Facebook, and I say our ancestors, justice for our ancestors. Inyedana nne na hunni kahalie, inyeru hanni kahalie mgbe ha dị ndụ. Inyeru hanni kahalie mgbe ha dị ndụ. Ka ela sijere ikwu nne, ndị ikwu nne ma onye wo. Ụfọdụ n'ime unu nwe ụbọchị nne ya anwụ, ndị ikwu nne wee kụziere gị akwụkwọ. Ụbọchị nna ya anwụ, ndị nna ochie nna ya wee kụziere wu film, gwaere wu film. Ịghọta? Because mgbe ị bịara ịka akwamosu ka ha ya akụziri gị the real omenala ahụ ịma ahụ. Apụta na Facebook onye ọ na-aba Matias this. Kedu ife Matias megolu? Men na Igbo roll out millions, billions in palliative. They roll out millions in hospital. Some are best the other day in a real hospital built na Igbo here. Free medical check-up to everybody, whether ni onye Hausa, mi wonye Yoruba, mi wonye Ghana, provided they find your way to hospital. Yeah, free medical check-up. The volume yado high. Yeah, men na Igbo roll out millions and billions in palliatives, in empowerment. We make a the other day, Icon Industries and New roll out of 200 and something million na empowerment. Just the other day again, roll over 1 billion na the same empowerment. Matias of dana 1 billion anya, of dana 1 billion anya cash for years somewhere or do like this. So nobody has done what Matias has ever done, because na 6,000 consists of women and the family members. So I have given free medical this to over 6,000 people that their files doesn't exist anywhere. And they go nunte una na kotu Matias chọrọ ịbịa kụsịrị anyị ahụrị ahụ ijewu n'ọgwụ ahụrị ahụ ijewu n'ọgwụ. Ọ na-akụziri ụmụ tata ka ọ na-akụziri mee Krismas gara aga ka ụmụnne anyị niile na ikem na-eme ife n'obodo fa ndị mmadụ na-afụ n'anya. Empowerment upon empowerment, scholarship upon scholarship. Ịma mmadụ one chikasị nyegoro scholarship n'ụlọ ụmụ dị n'ebe a. Ịma mmadụ one jele akwụkwọ today wuri ife ha wụ today because of Alexander Chikokafọ chief Akwatu Egbu na Nnewi. Ịma mmadụ one, ana m ajụ gị ajụjụ, ịma mmadụ one wụ ife ha wụ today n'obodo a because of ịnọsịrị efuru. Ịma how many business tycoons enwere n'obodo a because of ibetu. Mmadụ one n'ime ha ka anyị ekwu hapụ ibe ha na ana Igbo a. It is an insult to ndị ana Igbo a na-emere ife. It is that rubbish unu na-ekwu is an insult to an Igbo. It's an insult to an Igbo. It's not Matias has done what nobody has done na an Igbo. Kela part of an Igbo ebisi wepụta. Ọ dịrị ndị Yoruba ka ọ dịrị ndị Hausa. Because ọnwụ na iwe ezigbota nwa afọ Igbo like ahụ ezigbota onye Nnewi. I know the level and the caliber of men we have in this town of Nnewi, and I know what they do in their individual capacities. Personally, for people, I know what they do. More than teaching hospital, Ebeni, I will go one of these days and show you Omafo Iboji Webiri. If I may go teaching hospital, some of them when they and pick one building. Now, lawyer, I make off all there. He built multiple there. The later find a lot of them building there. Take a walk to Orifte there. You went back if you fast there. Yes, Jena Orifte, you know, careful if Azuka Okwo Salolo there. Careful, who know one there. Who know Gunda Madunesi far and wide na bia. Make a madu ye nechanya. Say nobody has done. Jones Obolo ne kusigo. You know back if you Bishop Osobolo. Aloysius Ikegwuonu high chief. Ikpocha yiti ye high chief. Ogaranya na atu egwu Jehovah. You know back if you follow Olochalo Romilo government. Or motherless baby so homo ne man Olocha single-handedly will dedicate ye yende ya dey take care of it. Now put the whole widows and widowers every month. Now take care of all the old people, their medical treatment. Now sponsor thousands of people, now scholarship running into millions and billions of naira. Or the health facility, free health care. Now we know now you can sit right ebeni. Now we do homeless uno, or powerful uno, dokanke. You make a poor no. Sena no more buhoni bomeri ife. Mata nya agu yebu. Only na fu Matias as a Messiah agu yebu. Ana agwa eziokwu. Ihe onye Igbo nke ga-akpọrọ ya aka. That word unu na-use an embarrassment to the entire Igbo race. It is a shame to the entire Igbo race. The part of Igbo land where you come from, not my own. Because Matias cannot be Ozibondo in the part of Igbo land where I come from. The real Ozibondos are scattered all over here in Igbo. You are seeing that every day the governor have a commission individual. Say na Matias, nobody has done what? A very selfish human being. Where everything on a man and will gain no at the end of. Where every single thing on a man and will about actually again. Now nobody has done. Kusi we nweto no kama amaho. Kusi we nweto no kama amaho. Free hospital ya no na mpo. Ijebu heba. The only message Matias you will see Bondo will because now if you come to my family from beginning to end, we are all Christians. I want you to show me your family. Let me show you my family. I want us to take a tour at your family. Let us take a tour at my own family. From the beginning to end in my family, we are all Christians. Onye na-eme onye na-abụ ụzọ eziokwu ndegede na ndembo na family onye na-ejebe edibe eji agwọ ọgwụ ọ na-eji agwọrọ onwe ya nke a n'imebe aya mọrọ maka ịwara ife na agwa mana bịazie ka iwere anya negharị anya ka anyị marụ ka ife a na-akpọ light ka ife a na-akpọ light ka anyị marụzie mụ na ya onye nọ na light and onye nọ na darkness. Ọkwọlị asịrị na nchịkọ na-eshi eze ụnọ nọ n'obere mmiri. Nchịkọ na-eshi eze n'ọnọ n'obere mmiri. Unu ana hype that young man na-edue to iliye ya bịa ọsịsọ ebe unu na-eduje ebe ọ ya nọ wee nwụọ ọsịsọ. Unu na-eduje ya ebe ọ ya nọ wee nwụọ ọsịsọ. Owe nwuzie na Matias awụ na gụrụ look at n'ojelu Enugu steeti be ha wee see foto na uncompleted building ọ na-alụ unu bido hype look at the building Matias is building yet it is not Jesus Christ that gave it to him. The first one enu alụ na my family na the first one enu alụ na my family na Kano na alụgo ye over 40 years ago. And it is still standing today. I will go and show you tomorrow. The first one alone in my family. Canon Dike Alugoye. Over 40 years ago, 2-story building. And it is still standing today. It is still standing today. So, oje go say ki we gwam na eje okome na Mathias Ezeaku na ndo yet na olulu na enu na ọrụ a Christian na ya sị na Chukwu nyere ihe ifuro na ịka nọ na ụwa mgbe ochie. Some of us as early as 1990 something, some powerful duplexes are pushing na family. What is impressing you people about that young man? No, I want to know. Can you feel that young man name special? Yawo like Nkucha kwa single na nchịkọ na-eshi eze ụnọ nọ n'obere mmiri. Sometimes amụọ m ife na-atụ ụnọ n'anya. The other day ọlụchala 4-story building tinye na Facebook. They congratulations, noisy everywhere. Even a decay moment of truth, there was noisy all over. Na Matias rụrụ 4-story building. Nchịkọ na-eshi eze ụnọ nọ n'obere mmiri. Ife ụmụazị na-agba Japan mate ịnụchalụ na Nnewi a ụtụtụ ụbọchị ụka efu ahụ ebucha Baịbụl ha na-eje ụka. Ụmụazị na-agba Super Cup, ụmụazị na-agba ekele afa ya jianchi motorcycle na Nnewi rụchalụ mana ka ife a na-akpọ ọkpụ na-egbu na ndị otu ụmụnne anyị ndị nọ Lagos rụcha ya scattered all over. Ọnụnụ ka ị na-abịa ọwụ 4-story building na o nwere ndị na-ewere single-handedly rụọ ya. Yes, o nwere ndị nọ n'ụlọ ụka na-ewuru such project single-handedly rụọ ya. Ịghọtago? Kedu ife dị ife ahụ unu na-ebu n'isi? Build factory. Gwa m otu mkpụrụ onye omenala bụ ụzọ eziokwu nwe factory n'ala Igbo. Tell me one person onye omenala bụ ụzọ eziokwu na ọnwụ ụlọ ụzọ okwu asị na ọnwụ ụlọ nwere factory n'ala Igbo. Tell me one person. Mwelu block industry na Igbo. Even Matthias, has he not gotten to the level where he will build one? He is still unable to build one. Ego juwelu 4-story building. Or no yeje welu factory eba na alu paint. Ego juwelu 4-story building. Or no yeje welu factory eba na alu mmiri. Ego juwelu 4-story building. Or no yeje welu factory eba na alu nylon. Ana majoga ajuju. I am asking you, tell me, what ground do teach we Christians how to be this, how to be that, when we are the people calling it a short? When we are the people calling it a short, the whole factory is needed on an Igbo. Over 99% of it belong to Christians. So, can you tell me what Matias is teaching us? Who is he teaching? Keno Bosai Jello factory. Louis Carter, Louis and nowhere. Do you want me to take you to Louis Carter industry? Yeah? You know, Kijefu, Kije Wolanya Parak. She came in Kotek. Ulolo, church in Urualabeha. Do you want me to take you to his first factory? Cletus Ibeto, Lulusen Cletus. You don't want to go there. You don't want to go there. Because before more some of your fathers, Ibeto are an industrialist. Because Shed is an elder in a church, more like a in the hierarchy of that church. You don't want me to tell you what you don't want to know. Uneni mefa kaya pologo. Uneni mefa kaya pologo. Look at Ike. Nkewe Johnny noodles. Eh? No chapel. How many of them do you think I will call for? The other day, Shife Bukonunkwa made donation na church.